Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. This is going to be a quick review of the Swiffer Wet Jet. Quick review. I like it. I had some issues with it. Is it worth the money? Just depends on the price you pay at the time. Right now, the way the economy is and prices are all screwy. I'm not even going to give you a price. I'm not going to judge it on the price. But yeah, I like it. I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 stars. I did have some issues with it. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, the reason for the quick review is because when I looked this up, every video that I found was long. And I just want to know if it works or not. So you already know it works. I'm going to show you a couple of the issues I have with it. First, let's go ahead and get one of these out. Now, I'm not going to put a price on this because, like I said, the economy right now is kind of screwy. But what I will do is put some Amazon links down below for you. Head you just go on, pull off. If you try to put them on the wrong way, it won't stick. Go like that. Now it does take batteries. I think it was 2 AAA. Now don't worry, I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Already vacuumed. Okay, it's pretty simple. You just press the little button up here. It shoots out liquid. And you just spread it around. Okay. My issue is with this. Now this will dry, but it will leave the floor a little bit shiny. But my issue is it won't actually pick up like right now we had some of these ladybugs out, and like I said, already vacuumed. But it won't pick stuff up. It'll clean the mud and dirt off the floor, but it doesn't actually pick up the material. So I kind of, in that way, I kind of use it like a broom and just put it all in one corner and sweep it up after that. The thing I don't like about it is it leaves the floor slippery. So like if you go use it in your bathroom, you have socks on, you may slip and fall, so be careful with that. And just with me rambling, you can see the floor's already dried. You can see the difference where I mopped and where I didn't mop. Okay, 4 out of 5 stars. I like it. Be careful where you use it. It gets slippery. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.